What do you got?
10. 9, 7. Keep bouncing around.
Okay. We're up and running.
Huh?
Oh, that looks bad. Look at all the pits.
Yeah. It's
Look at
sooty. We'll take a few pictures of these.
I've got a screen recording, so we're good.
Oh, sweet.
What's that?
Oh, that's a crack. You can see where it's exhausted on the side. It's cracked.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's cracked. You can see where the air's been blowing on it. Excellent.
That's a big crack.
Can you snap just that? Or?
Yeah, I've already got that taken care of. It's screen recording.
Oh yeah, that's definitely a crack.
Yeah, no, that's bad.
That's all we need is one crack.
I'm just curious what the others are like now.
Go ahead and look.
Let's take a look at the image.
And that was definitely a crack. You can see where the air was blowing the dust out of it. Oh yeah, there's another one. Man. Look at that. You can see the discoloration.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Let's see if you can get it down.
Oh, that's a crack. That's a crack if I've ever seen one. Let's see if I can get up there.
Fucking fatigued.
Let's see if I can get up in there. Oh.
Oh God.
It is.
Yeah, that's bad. We'll do the other one. I could tell just from the heat pulsing, man. The heat of the air coming out of the register.
I could feel it out of the register. I could feel the...
Well, as hot as the air was, because the heat's coming out of the heat exchanger.
From what I can see. Oh, what do we have here? What do we have here?
Get up in there. Oh yeah, look where that white powder is up there at the top.
Trying to get it to go up.
What's that up there? Straight up. Where that white soot is. Right there is a crack.
I think that's just a...
Where the tool scratched it.
Yeah.
But look, condensation. Fatigue. Pits. Oh, you're getting deep south, huh?
I think we've seen enough.
Yeah. Definitely 2 majors.
That's bad. That's terrible.
Can you get the toolbox?
Yeah, I'll get that. Let me get the numbers off this thing as well.
Take a picture of what needs to be done.
There's a number right there. Old Rheem. You can feel the heat in here. Well, that's definitely one for the books. Okay, well, see you guys in the next one.